Y'all, this bag is something serious. What a statement maker. I am in love. What is up, Glam Tribe? I'm so excited because I have been waiting to unbox what's in this box with y'all for a while now. I'm in the middle of a move, but I literally could not wait any longer because I really want to put this bag to use. However, I want to unbox it with you to give you my first impressions, tips and tricks on how I scored this bag. And if you can't tell by the title, I finally got my hands on a Telfar bag. I got the small shopping bag in the size gold. I have been wanting one. I really actually want like the cream one. I thought that would be like such a vibe, but I feel like I'll wear the gold as well. They make them in a variety of colors. So let's get to it because I have not used this. So unboxing it, it does come in a plastic bag with a dust bag within it. Of course, a little packing notice. And but I got my hand here. Oh, hi, beautiful. I'm a handbag-aholic. I love handbags. And this small one, it is a baby, y'all. Okay, so this is a small, and this is in the color gold. She is teeny tiny, but I'm so into it. I feel like I've definitely been downsizing my bags. I'm not carrying that much with me. I'm not really doing that much makeup anymore. Like, there's just really literally no reason why. So it comes with two little top handles that you can carry it, and then also a drop strap that will convert into like your crossbody styles. Definitely need to live in this bag because it comes packed real tight. So just to break in the faux leather, it is a vegan leather, so if you're really conscious about that, this is a great style for you. I just love how minimal it is. Like, my vibe lately has been quite minimal. If you follow me on Instagram, like, I kind of will play with colors and patterns, but it's nothing fussy. And this is right up my lane. And I also like the fact that this gold isn't like a harsh gold. Like, you can see like my little, it's actually a piggy bank I got for Z Gallery years ago. This is like a really, really like yellow gold. This one here is pale gold. So that's why I felt like I could really work with this. And even though I couldn't get my hands on a restock of the cream, this would work just as well. So I'm going to put some keys in here so it's like a little bit more weighted. This is the bag on my body. I actually really love how small it is because it actually stands out since it is gold. This is like more of a front view, so I could kind of swing it this way. But I really wear them like a true side crossbody. Yes, like I'm obsessed with this. This is exactly like what I expected. Now as for size, you see I have my keys. I can put it in here. I believe I could get like my cell phone in there pretty easily. I'm actually recording on my cell phone, so we'll see how that really works out. And like just like little tiny essentials, like I would have to definitely get like a little card holder. I wish they sold card holders. That's like actually what I feel like they need, just to pop into here, and that would be like perfect. So this is it. One thing I'm noticing that I like about this bag already is that it is stitched to seal the handles on it and the strap. It's not like a sometimes you'll see like a kind of glue-like finish, even on some of your designer bags. It's literally just like a glue piping that will seal it. But I like the stitch that holds up pretty nicely over time. Really nice stitching detail all around the bag. The bottom doesn't have any feet on it, so it's just plain. And like I said, it is a vegan leather, so you're good to go there. And the top only has just a little magnetic clasp, so it's pretty open. Your items aren't like super secure in there, but I feel like with this bag in particular, you're just putting like little quick essentials. This is really great for just a really easy like on the go type of styling, and I am really happy I got it. Another thing to note about the construction is that these are not adjustable at all. So if you are a little bit fuller, it could possibly sit up higher. If you're a little bit smaller, more petite, it'll drape lower. I don't know the exact dimension, so I will include that in like little caption so you'll know that information, but just note that I actually kind of like my crossbodies to sit kind of high nowadays. I just, styling wise, I like it. But other than that, this bag is just really easy, simple, cool, minimal, effortless, chic, all of the above. So if you need a bag like that, I would definitely look into it. These do come in different sizes, so if the small is not your thing, if you're not into the mini bags, there are larger options in this silhouette, which brings me to the point of how to get this bag, because I went on there, I was like, let me just go get my bag. No, these sell out. So what I did was actually go to Instagram, set the notifications for their posts, because they do inform you about new drops, new collections, all of the above. So I just put on post notifications, saw that this was dropping. I forgot what day it was. I think it was like in November or something that they were going to drop this bag. And I saw it. I was like, okay, I like it. There was also a blue option with like this metallic-y finish, not my jam at all. But the gold, I said, okay, we can work with her. She's good to go. I still want to get a larger version of this bag just for like a work tote, or if I'm traveling, just to have something a little bit more substantial with me. But nevertheless, I set my notifications. They dropped a post of the information. I set an alarm, y'all, an alarm 15 minutes prior, so that way I could get on the site in case it had some backlog, anything like that, just to avoid any technical errors that can naturally happen when you have a popular item dropping on a website. Pretty much also on the website, it let you add the bag like right before. I don't exactly remember the details, but I was able to really add it to the bag, and as soon as it was really available to order, just push through the transaction, and then boom, here we go, we got her. Now I know prior to, there have been some releases where they felt like the delivery wasn't quick enough. Like I would see like either they left feedback for customers like, hey, we have your order, expect it within this time frame. But this came pretty quick on my end and I had no issues about it. I don't remember the carrier, let me check. Okay, so this shipped to me via UPS. I like either having things shipped to me from UPS or FedEx. USPS, I know I use them actually for my Poshmark business, but sometimes it can get dicey, but usually I know there's no delivery issues whenever I have UPS or FedEx. Now, once you get your bag, you want to know how to take care of it. I am a very big stickler for taking care of your items, like everything. I've managed in retail for years and managed with handbags and shoes. So caring for both of those is like a passion of mine. The good thing with this bag, it does come with a dust bag. So when you are storing it or you're traveling with it, please keep it in your dust bag. It is its best friend and great protector for it from things like transferring on it, just anything scratching this, all the above. Also, please note that this is a lighter color. So if you are wearing darker color, like your denim or anything that has a loose dye to that fabrication, it can experience color transfer that happens across the board, no matter the price point of a handbag. So just be mindful of that when you are wearing your garments. Now, if something does get on this, I just say try to like wipe it clean with like a gentle cleanser and a cloth first. You just don't want to use too many abrasive materials. But there's also companies out there that work on repairing handbags. RAGO Brothers is one amazing one, and they'll work with different brands, different textiles. So I will put their information down below because I've seen them restore handbags and shoes and everything. And you can ship from across the United States to them to work on your items. So other than that, that is how you care for this bag. Also now that we've unboxed this bag, I am so ready to wear it and style it because I've been holding off on it. You best believe I will have a photo with a complete outfit around this on Instagram while we're at that. That is a shameless plug. Be sure to follow me at Lipstick and Anissa. I share content daily on there and love to connect with you all more. And if you're watching this video, screenshot it, upload it to your stories, and tag me again at Lipstick and Anissa. That way I can feature you in a shout out on the next video as a part of the Glam Tribe. I appreciate you all so much for hanging out with me. If you have questions or you want to know more information about this bag or other opinions, don't be shy, hop into the comments and we'll continue the discussion about this little glamorous bag here. So until next time, guys, take care.